Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clear chat in Messenger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app, and once you open your Messenger app you will end up in this kind of interface. Simply tap on a chat you want to clear. Simply tap hold the chat and there you can find all these options. From this you need to select the delete option. So once you tap on the delete option, you'll get a confirmation whether you want to delete or not. Once you tap on the delete button, your chat will be cleared from your Messenger history. And this is how you delete or clear chat on your Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.